Ndewono. I'm Queen, and I'm popularly known as Igbo with Queens TV. If today is your first time watching me in this channel, please subscribe and click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to see it. So guys, in today's lesson, today is lesson 2. I'm going to be teaching you guys another thing, not introduction. Like in my first video, I did introduction in Igbo.
I am from Abia State.
In this one, in the second lesson now, I'm going to be teaching like the name of plates, the name of cup, the name of a spoon, pots, those things you cook with, those things you eat with. So I'm going to be telling you what it means in Igbo. So we are going to start with pots, that thing you cook with. Pot is called ite. Ite is called pot. Ite. The second one is plate. Plate is called efere. Did you hear that? Efere is called efere. Efere. Another one is spoon. Spoon is called ngaji. That sounds good, right? Ngaji. That sounds good, right? Now we are going to start it again. Let's go together. Pot. Pot is called ite. That is the pot you use in cooking is called ite. Let's say it again. Ite. Yes. Ite. The second one, plate, is called efere. Do you hear that? Efere. Do you hear that? Good. You can do it. Efere. Nice. The third one is spoon. Your spoon using eating is called ngaji. Did you hear that? Ngaji. Let's say it together. Ngaji. That's right. Ngaji. Ngaji. That's a spoon. Another one is, I guess the fourth one is cup. Cup, that is the cup you use in drinking water. It's called miriko. That sounds somehow right. Miriko. I told you Igbo is a lot of fun. Miriko. If you learn how to speak this, it's going to actually help you. Seriously. Miriko. This is cup. Miriko is cup. Let's start it afresh, right? Okay. Pot. Ite. Pot is called ite. Ite eji eshi nri. Did you hear that sound? This is pronunciation now. Ite eji eshi nri. I am making a sentence. Ite eji eshi nri. The pot you use in cooking. Ite eji eshi nri. Good. Plate is called efere. Efere eji eri nri. The other one is spoon. Ngaji eji eri nri. Sounds good, right? Ngaji eji eri nri. Let's say it together. Ngaji eji eri nri. Ngaji eji eri nri. You got it. That's good. So I want you guys to be practicing it. Ite is pot. Efere is plate. Ngaji is spoon. Cup is iko mmiri is cup. Don't forget. Do not forget. Cup is iko mmiri. You learn this little one that I've already teach you. In my next video, I'll bring the lesson 3. So guys, do not forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to see. See you guys in my next video. Bye.